Hi my beautiful friends, so this video comes as a request video. Like I had put up on my Instagram story what look y'all wanted to see, and the majority of them had asked for a party makeup look. So here we go. I've already applied my foundation and now I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. But first I'm going to play some songs on my favorite app, which is Savan, and I'm going to be playing my We Ready Wedding Tartiest song. So let's get started, and to fill in my eyebrows I'm using my Makeup Revolution Bulletproof Eyebrow Palette, and I'm moving on pretty quick with this because I already have an eyebrow routine already up there in my channel. So don't forget to check out the description box for the link, and this is how my eyebrows look when they are done. And then using another Makeup Revolution palette, which is Fortune Favors the Brave, and using my Sigma Tapered Blending E35 brush, and using this nice creamy beige eyeshadow and applying it into my crease area for some base transition. Then using a nice deep brown eyeshadow on a pointy tapered blending brush and applying it onto the very crease or the very socket of my eye. Then using my Kryolan face liner in 20, which is a dark brown liner, and I'm gonna carve out my socket first, and then I'm gonna draw out a wing like so, and just connecting all of that together. And then using that same deep brown eyeshadow and that same brush and applying this eyeshadow only above the liner. Now I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Magnificent Foiled Eyeshadow, and it comes with a glue. I'm just going to take some of that eyeshadow on a small stiff brush. Just add 2 to 3 drops of the glue, mix it really well, and that's it. All I need to do is apply this eyeshadow, just making sure I'm just keeping this eyeshadow in between that line or the border that we have created, because that's the reason why we did that, and just applying it into that. Here I'm just making sure whether both are looking equal, and then I move ahead by applying it onto my lower lash line. I'm also applying the same onto the inner corners, connecting the top and the bottom, and then using my Tarte Pro glitter eyeliners, using the silver one this time, and outlining my entire eyeshadow work. Then using a very light eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone area. And this is literally what I call the power of editing. So I'm done with my foundation, my hair and everything, and now I'm gonna move on to applying my Kajal, which is this L'Oreal Kajal Magique, and I'm tightlining my upper and lower waterline with that. Then prepping up my lashes for some falsies, and then I'm gonna be applying my new Nykaa Mishti lipstick, which is this beautiful, gorgeous, and it smells amazing. Beautiful, gorgeous, red pink kind of a lip color. And with that we are done. So this is it. I hope you'll like it. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. So much for watching.